I'm gonna have to take apart your dad's shop to figure out what's going on.
And if it resists, we take it apart.
Grab everything, hit the junkers, take apart the cars.
Take it apart from the inside before it synchronizes.
Well, I no longer wish to buy your company and take it apart.
I have this engine to take apart and fix before my water runs out.
I need every line of that story taken apart and checked for inaccuracies.
I was always taking apart some car.
Never take apart a clock that's ticking.
No, I took apart one of their motors, Gil.
Takes you back.
Takes me back to my childhood.
The smell alone takes you back home.
You smell something and it takes you back to a place in your life.
Every thought in my head takes me back to her.
Every time I see this film, that's where it takes me back.
It takes me back to my youth.
Takes him back to the 60s or something.
Takes me back to Ipanema.
Takes after a mother, you know.
Yeah, I think it's sweet how much he seems to take after you and the way he dresses like you as well.
I take after my mother.
You must take after your mother.
I take after my mama.
Maybe you take after your mom.
People say I take after my dad.
Why can't a woman take after a man?
Yeah, he takes after his father.
Yeah, I take after my mother.
You see, maybe Susu took after her father.
I take it back.
You're practically married to Svetlana, so I don't want to say anything now that I can't take back later if you're just gonna go home and make up. Because
Take back my word and my deed to the gate.
I take it back.
I take it back.
I take it back. I don't trust you.
I take it back. I take it back.
I take it back. You're a perv idiot.
I take it back. You're fucking deranged.
I take it back. You're not in trouble.
I take my words back.
Do you want to take down my number?
Here, take down my number.
Take down my address.
Let me put my secretary on, and she'll take down your info.
Here, take down my number in case you change your mind.
All right, take down my next set of instructions.
I shall warn you first that anything you say will be taken down and may be used in evidence.
She took down the history.
Take down my number. Hit me up.
Take down the message and see if you can make anything of it.
And what to say about Darwin, whom everybody took for a fool when he put forth his theory of evolution? Don't take me for a fool. Do not take me for some conjurer of cheap tricks.
If the boy goes about saying the world is round, they'll take him for a lunatic.
Didn't take you for a day drinker, Mr. Easter.
Do you take me for an idiot?
I never knew another way. Who do you take me for?
What do you take me for?
What do you take us for? A bunch of fucking morons? Huh?
Who do you take me for?
You take me for an idiot?
All I have to do is get on the inside of the illusion, then I can take it down, find him, and he's just a guy, so I can take Edith right back.
We just got taken down by a monkey the size of a building.
We took down a dreadnought.
The one who took down the deputy mayor last year? I took down the site.
They took down $1 billion bank.
You took down a massive drug operation.
You both served on special forces in Iraq that took down Avril Kadam.
What, are you gonna storm through Boston and take down a drug lord? How far would you go to take down a man that stole everything from you?
Permission to take down a defense network.
Ray leader, take down the house.
We're supposed to take down the Prime Minister of Great Britain tonight.
She's the leader of the freedom fighters, the resistance trying to take down the current government.
You said you'd take back my photo.
Take back your homeland.
Before I took back the throne from my uncle.
So I thought I might just take it back to the source and make sure I understand this all correctly.
About Eileen and the skirt she bought, or if she took back the little necklace with the tiki gods. Took back the offer.
I just wish I could take back that kiss.
Oh.
I took it back to the shop.
You can't take it back to the guys you got it from.
No!
If you don't like it, you can always take it back to your cell.